Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, probably quickest to the deals. Maybe sometimes I try to. And today we have confirmation. Some of you have probably already seen it for one of them, but confirmation on day one, 12 days of deals, and the weekend promotion, the weekend deal. Merry savings. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Please hype. Let's get to 20,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And let's jump in. As we normally do, we read the fine print so that we understand the coupons. I hope that's okay. So we have 12 days of deal. Deal 1, official, $149.99, normally $230. The US General 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart for $150. Now, it says hurry, available in 8 colors, Friday, December 12th only, in-store only. Let's read the nice version. Limit 1, valid in-store while supplies last. That's a big one. Some of the Harbros run into that issue. Valid 12/12 only, pre-sale included, no coupon required. That's a big part, no coupon required. So this is only it's a discount. It's a temporary discount. It's a new lower price. Discount applied at register, offer valid on the items. These should be the 8 different colors. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Now that part's important too, because I guess technically this could be an offer. Definitely not a prior purchase. Excludes ITC memberships, extended, I should be an editor, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Other restrictions apply. So the only thing, well, it says other restrictions apply. That could be a lot of things. No coupon required, pre-sale included, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. So definitely not prior purchases we're trying to do, but the one thing we're going to try to do is combine it, not with another offer, but just combine it with the weekend deal. And this is just, it's not ITC, it's available for anybody. It's a one new lower price. It's a 12 days of deal. I consider it a instant savings, which is what makes it, not only is it already a good deal, don't hold me to it, some of you already said you would, but tomorrow morning, some of the Harbros are going to try out using the 20% off. The 20% off for ITC, and it's actually 15% off for non-ITC, which is better than the 10% that I think we were saying. So that is the tech cart for $150. Already a great deal. Already a great deal. But let's look at the other deal. Now, this wouldn't be combined because at least, or stackable, because at least in the history of the ones that I've seen work, percentage off items tend to not be the ones that work, but doesn't hurt to try. But anyway, here's 40% off all icon lights. This is what we were expecting. 40% off all icon lights. Valid December 12th only, of course, while supplies last. That's probably the biggest part. Valid 12/12 only, no coupon required. Discount applied at register, 40% off all icon lights purchased. Cannot be combined with other or prior purchases. Excludes ITC, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. But again, doesn't hurt to try. If you find something on clearance, my experience has been that they do combine those deals. So never hurts to ask, doesn't hurt to try. Worst thing they can say is no, and then you just get a icon light for 40% off, or multiple icon lights for 40% off. So that's the day of deals. We're rolling, but then also starting December 12th, tomorrow, super coupon, December 12th to the 14th, is 15% off any single item. So let's read the fine print. Save 15% off any single item with coupon code this. Valid Friday, December 12th through the 14th. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in store while supplies last. Pre-sale included, 15% off any single item purchased. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes ITC membership, extended service plan, open box items, and gift cards. Coupon required for non-members. So there's that. Coupons can't tend to stack double coupons. So this is well, this could stack actually, because I would say this is just, oh, no, not this one. Doesn't mean you can't try. I would say this is just a new lower price, and you're just using this 15% off any single item on a new lower price. So we'll know tomorrow. Hopefully I haven't been misleading the Harbros, but I do think it's likely. But we'll find out when the rubber meets the road. 15% off for All people must show coupon, or we have 20% off any single item. Any single item, the 12th to the 14th. ITC members save 20% off. Limit 1 usage per customer per day. Harbros know how that works. Valid in store while supplies last. No coupon required, which is key. I almost would say, well, it says on one item. I would try it with the icon lights. We're going to try it on everything. We need that instant Harbro notification in the morning. So if you find out, comment on this video to let the Harbros know whether things are stacking or not. 20% is beautiful. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. That's the kicker. No cash value, non-transferable, excludes ITC membership, excludes service plan or extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. Now, those are the weekend deals. Solid 15% off in any case. 20% off is going to get you some ridiculous discounts. Let's go. We'll do a mini dive. There's definitely obviously lights. The cart, if you can. We already went over it, but if you get 20% off of 150, you're saving an extra 30 bucks. So you're getting it down to 120. I'll pick one up if it stacks. Hopefully they don't sell out. And then, of course, we have our Merry Christmas savings, 15%, 20%. Now, what these 20% off any single item is the best for is the items that don't go on sale too often. So I'll go through. Normally, well, this is what I normally do at the Harbros, is we go over the new tools, because this isn't always a firm rule, but normally the newest tools don't tend to go on sale right away. Now, we do know there's a generator Christmas Day sale coming up. They haven't released what it will be, but that's coming up. New icon ball peen Deadpool hammer. This is the 40 ounce. They came out with the bigger hammer. So at 20% off, that's pretty good. Save an extra, what is that, $13? Get this down to 51 bucks. Still pretty pricey for a hammer, but this is the 40 ounce version, brand new from Icon. And then, well, let's just organize this from high to low, see what they're considering the newest and most pricey items. If there is a generator sale, I expect it to be what it's been during the generator sales. Maybe it'll be higher, but I believe it was at 20 to 25% off. So definitely hang tight. Maybe it'll be 25% off. That extra 5% when you're spending at least 2,000 bucks, 5% is a good amount. 10% would be 200 bucks, so 5% is 100 bucks. We have the Predator 30-ton 212 dual action log splitter for $1,300. 20% off of this would be 260 bucks. Nuts. The new Icon TPMS toolkit for 700 bucks. Save $140 on that. The new Icon torque wrench, which there was a torque wrench sale earlier this year. There's been a lot of Harbros asking when the next torque wrench sale will be. What was it at? Was it a 40% off torque wrenches? That's pretty tough. If you want to wait an extra 20% off versus the 20% off of one item, I mean, you're saving $70, but you could save 140 bucks on this. So that could be a hang tight. Some of the new Hercules tools getting for 20% off, unless we're holding out hopes that the 20 volt amp hour starter kit will be Hercules, but I don't think it will be. If there isn't a sale on Hercules during the 12 days of Christmas, 20% off isn't bad. Save $80 on the portable thickness planer, or $70 on the miter saw. Save almost 80 bucks on the job site table saw with rack and pinion fence. I might be wrong, but I don't tend to see those with high discounts all that often. The 6-ton and the 12-ton Daytona jacks also don't go on sale too often. Not too bad for the 6-ton, save $16. So get these down to sub $60. What is that? $54 for the 6-ton. The 12-ton, I think I've seen one crazy sale about a year ago go down close to $100. And the ITC right now is actually not too bad. Save 25 bucks, but at 20%, you're going to save $32. So get this for 127 bucks, which is not too bad, but you're definitely looking for those high ticket items. But I'll leave it at that. I won't make this video too long. First day of deals starting tomorrow, 150 on the 4-drawer tech cart, 40% off all icon lights. Then, of course, we have the 15% off any single item also starting tomorrow with this coupon, or 20% off for ITC off any single item. We need that feedback right away, whether with these new lower price for this day of deals, one, really this cart, and then the meme tool tomorrow, or the meme tool Saturday, whether these are stacking. Either way, I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Good luck, Harbor Freighting. Good luck shopping. Let me know how it goes. Please consider liking and or subscribing and hyping. And as soon as I have some more deals, which will be soon, I will send them your